In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Steam Mobile. If you want to improve your account security or simply update an old password, Steam makes it fairly straightforward to do right from the mobile app. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to tap and what to expect along the way. To begin, open the Steam mobile app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap your profile icon or the main menu, depending on the version of the app you're using. From there, look for account details and open it. This section contains your account settings and security-related options, so this is where you'll manage your password. After you're on the account details page, scroll down until you find the option that says Change My Password. Tap that to move forward. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll carefully, since account settings pages can sometimes be longer than expected. Next, Steam will ask you to verify your identity before allowing any password changes. This is an important security step designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. Depending on how your account is set up, you may be able to verify using Steam Guard, your email, or your phone number. Choose the method that's available to you, then complete the verification process by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure you have access to the selected device or inbox before continuing, since you may need a code or approval prompt. Once your identity has been confirmed, you'll be taken to the password update screen. Here, enter your current password first, then create your new password and type it again to confirm it. Try to choose a strong password that is unique and not reused on other accounts. A good password is usually smaller and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. But most importantly, it should be something secure that you can still manage safely. After entering everything, review it carefully to make sure there are no typing mistakes, especially in the confirmation field. When you're ready, save the changes. Steam should then update your password, and in some cases, you may be asked to sign in again using the new one. That's all it takes to change your Steam password on mobile. If you found this helpful, you can use the same general approach anytime you need to update your account security settings in the app.